Hello everyone, good morning. So today in this video I would like to take you through the role of information technology in retail industry. So what is information technology or IT? IT is nothing but computer or network based system upon which the information is accessed and the decisions can be quickly taken, right? Yes. So do you think that information technology or IT has adequate role in retail industry? Yes, because you are experiencing it every day, right? Because all of you might have the smartphone in your hand, so you might be using the various online shopping apps like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So in this, while browsing or while searching for the products, you get accurate and immediate information quickly. So how does it possible? Right, because sometimes you may search for the products, sometimes it may say that the stock is not there, or only so many units are there, or the goods can be reached to your home on this particular day, this many days it will take for delivery of the goods to your home, like that. So you will get the immediate and accurate information. So how does it possible? Is there any person sitting on the other side, and when you browse and he will search whether that particular product is there, and whether he rushes to the stock room and he checks and informs you immediately? No, it is not possible, right? Everything is based on information technology, computer, right? So computer or the system, it will immediate collect the information, and it will process it, and it will submit, and it will give the result, or it will give the feedback. So with this example we can understand that it's a small example. Why I have given this example? Because you are experiencing it. So other than this, behind the behind the customers portal, or behind the what we say that backup office, so there are lot of cases, lot of opportunities where the IT is used for various purposes in retail industry. So let us see in brief what is this today. Okay, so here with the increasing globalization, what do you mean by globalization? Liberalization, privatization and globalization. Because previously, before some 20 or 50 years back, we used to say, okay, Udupi market, Mangalore market, like we used to identify a particular place as a market. But today it's not like that. The whole world is one market because of globalization. A company from one country can easily sell the product to another country because of there is entire world is treated as one market. There is liberalization, right? So with the increasing growth in globalization, it may be either in point of sale, point POS, what we call point of sale, or their point of supply, both in the supply side as well as in customer side. So in both the cases, the information technology plays a very important role, because the markets are continue to grow, right? It may become more complex tomorrow, and the simple process of retailing will not be able to meet the requirements as early as possible. So let us see what are the retailers need to transform their IT capabilities for multiple reasons. So ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. The first one is that to increase the company's ability to respond to evolving marketplace through enhanced speed and flexibility. Because the main task or the challenge before the retail industry is to meet the customer's requirement immediately. If the company fails to meet the customer's demand immediately, that particular customer may shift to a competitor brand, so that the company may lose that particular customer permanently. Therefore, there is a challenge before the company to meet or respond to the customer's requirement, and that can be possible only through the if the company has adopted a good speed and flexibility. And adapting this, okay, flexibility or speed is possible because of information technology, because manually doing everything will delay the work, right? Yes. The second one is that to collect and analyze customer data while enhancing differentiation. So we need the information about our market, because if you launch a new product, or if you add a new feature in the existing product, right, or if you add a new line of product, okay, first what you want to know, who are your customers, what are the customers preferences, what are their taste, right, because today's customer is considered as a king. So only if we understand the customer's requirement, our product will get success in the market, right. Therefore, to understand the customers what feedback, we need the details about the customers, their taste, that means the entire data about customers can be collected and analyzed quickly with the help of information technology, right. Okay, the third one is that to work effectively, retailers need one system working across stores, because it's not like if an industry has many number of branches, the branches are, even though they are working individually, the branches are interdependent, because we consider the entire organization as one entity, right. Therefore, there is a need of network connection between the branches as well as head office, the main branch. So this is possible because of information technology. Okay, now let us see what are the factors responsible for need of information technology in retail. Information technology retail industry ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. The first one is that globalization of business operations. As I just told you, the increasing globalization has led to growing exposures to foreign markets, right, because the demand has been increased, and we are experiencing international shopping experience. As the industry become more global, it is procurement, manufacturing and market operations require greater use of information technology, right, because we cannot handle the data manually, because we have to collect the information from lakhs of customers, we have the details about lakhs of sales, so it is not possible to manually write it down and process it and take the decision. Okay, that is one of the reason. The second one is that competition. So this is being a commerce student or being any businessman, every moment the word what we hear is regarding competition, because today the word is competitive world, right. So competition forces the retailer to become more efficient and effective. Do you agree with this? Why? Because when we have the information, right, information what the customer is, what type of product the customer our competitor has launched, so whether our product is better than competitor's product or competitor's product is better than us. So to understand this, only if we understand this, we will be able to improve our product so that we can win the competition, right. How does it possible? Is it possible, is it sufficient if the salesman goes to all the markets and ask with the customers like, okay, which product you want, which product you like, is it possible? No, because we want the customers feedback immediately so that we can win the competition. So to do this, information technology helps a lot, because without information technology, without network, without computer, we cannot imagine that so quickly we can respond to the competitive world. Okay, because sometimes we fail. The reason is that we are not getting the proper feedback. So proper feedback we can get only with the help of fast internet connection or information technology. Next one is that to meet the expectations of the customers. So the customers' taste, preference are different from one another. Okay, so a single independent system may not be possible to meet the requirement of all customers. Therefore, there is a need to share the information quickly and easily from all over the world, and barriers of linguistic, it may be language barrier or it may be traditional, geographical, whatever it is, these barriers should be crossed, right, and whatever geographic boundaries are crossed, and we can think and respond to the customers of different regions effectively only if we have a proper information technology system. Okay, Next one is that technological revolution. So technology, day by day, it is revolution. There we are experiencing it. Day by day, it's changing. Okay, every day we find new technology. Okay, every day we find new inventions. Today we are hearing the words like artificial intelligence, robotics, right? All these things, all these are advanced technologies. So if the company wants to succeed, if it wants to win the market, if it wants to survive, it has to adapt the changing technology. So changing technology helps to transmit the data, store it, process it, and distribute forms of information on a single integrated technology. Therefore, information technology plays very important role, and while considering this, we have to take into account the technological revolutions also. The next one is that inventory management. What is inventory? Inventory is stock, right? Stock lying in the godown of the company. So do you think that manually checking the stock and responding to the customer saying that this product is available or not available, does the customer has that much of time to wait for your product? No. When the customer asks within a fraction of seconds, we should be able to respond to them that whether this product is available or not, and we should be able to suggest the better product. So this inventory management, to know about the levels of stock, it may be closing stock or the stock at every moment, it is possible only with the help of information technology. Right? Yes, because we have to track, for this purpose we have to track the orders, we have to track the sales as well as the deliveries, all these factors. It may be purchases what we make, or sales what we make, or delivery, or it may be regarding the orders. All these will affect or influence the stock level. So this is possible to calculate this, to arrive at the stock level is possible only with the help of fast and quick information technology. Therefore, the companies will adapt an electronic inventory control system nowadays. Okay, so without this information, we cannot plan and execute a retail strategy. The next one is that store management. So information technology is beneficial for store management that give alerts to stock out items. Sometimes the company reaches the danger level of stock. Right? Or danger level means the stock is not there, it is not available, very less stock is there. Such cases, if the company company comes to know that much of only minimum stock is there, and if the company goes for ordering some more stocks at that moment, it may take few more days to get the delivery. In such cases, the customers may change the brand, he may shift from our company to another company. Therefore, understanding and anticipating the stock level in advance, much advance, is very much required to place a new order, right? Therefore, to evaluate and to transform the retail shopping experience of a shopper, it may be both store based or disintermediate retail shopping environment. The store management, which is based on information technology, is very, very important. The next is regarding forecasting. What do you mean by forecasting? Forecasting is anticipating or thinking in advance. You are thinking what is going to happen tomorrow, what might be tomorrow's sales, what may be tomorrow's customers' expectations, what may be tomorrow's market environment, what may be tomorrow's government policies. Even though it is not possible to tell now accurately, it is very much important to know what may happen, to imagine or to think what may happen tomorrow. So this forecasting is possible with the help of information technology, because we have the automated statistical data, we have the big data, we have the details about the market trends. Right, everything will be computerized. We get all details like how much sales we have made, or why the sales has been declined, or what is the graph of sales, like whether it is increased or decreased, what is the profit margin what we are making, or what is the discount level we are offering and competitor is offering, everything. Okay, we will be able to understand all this with the help of information technology, and based on the trend like past 1 year or 6 months, we can think that what may happen tomorrow. Okay, what may happen? See, for example, during the help of COVID, we are experiencing that the demand for the health products, like it may be Ayurvedic products, or it may mask, sanitizer, all these things has been increased. The companies which are manufacturing these products should focus more on more manufacturing. All right, so some products like it may be clothing industry or maybe footwear, all this has been experienced declining sales because of the market environment. So if the company goes on continuing the same level of production and there is no sales, ultimately the whatever investment the company has made will become the waste. So finally I would like to say that here, information technology is nothing but the use of internet, computers and other IT based accessories. This is a foundation which will help the retail industry, and it will decide the survival of retail industry, survival as well as growth of retail industry, because the information today, whatever decision what we take, what we need, main thing, information. So information is available quickly with the help of information technology, right? I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, you can please ask through the comment box. Thank you.